Consider the center of gravity at any outdoor cookout. It is not the patio, not the dining table. It is the grill. The cook becomes a stationary figure, anchored to the heat source, managing a dozen tasks at once. The problem is logistics. The marinade is on the counter inside. The tools are on a shelf 10 feet away. The platter for the finished food is back on the picnic table. You end up on a path of constant, inefficient trips. A wooden grill prep side table with wheels is a direct, mobile solution to this problem. It is not just an extra surface. It is a compact, rolling command center that puts every essential tool and ingredient within arm's reach of the persons running the fire. The core of the idea is a sturdy, waist-high wooden table on locking casters. The height is matched to standard grill heights, so you can slide it right alongside your cooker, creating a contiguous workspace. The tabletop needs to be spacious enough to be genuinely useful. Room for a cutting board, a bowl of prepped vegetables, a plate of raw proteins, a bottle of oils, and a spice rub. This surface is the stage. It is made from a durable hardwood like maple, teak, or a thick sealed oak that can handle the inevitable splashes of oil, vinegar, and juice. It is a work surface, not a display piece. It will get stained and scratched, and that way is a badge of honor, proof of meals created. But the intelligence is in the mobility and the add-ons. The locking wheels are the game changer. This table is not a permanent fixture. You roll it out from the garage or shed when you fire up the grill. The position is exactly where you need it. To the left for a right-handed cook and to the right for a left-handed cook. You lock the wheels and suddenly you have a stable, immovable partner. When the cooking is done, you unlock it, wheel it over to a hose for a quick rinse and wipe down, and roll it back into storage. It consolidates the mess and the tools, keeping your main patio furniture clean and clear. The design often incorporates crucial storage to prevent clutter on the main workspace. This is where it becomes a true prep station. A lower shelf, made from slatted wood for drainage, is perfect for holding heavier items. A bag of charcoal, a drip pan, a backup propane tank, or a small cooler for drinks. Along the side or underneath the tabletop, you might find a row of heavy-duty hooks for hanging tongs, spatulas, grill brushes, and oven mitts. Some models include a towel bar or a paper towel holder. The most thoughtful designs might have a small integrated bin or a removable metal container for collecting trash like spice packets or corn husks right as you work. So, no, you're not running to a distant camp. Having this dedicated mobile station changes the entire rhythm of grilling. It turns a scattered activity into a streamlined process. Your tools are hanging, not buried in a drawer. Your seasonings are lined up, not forgotten in the kitchen counter. The platter for the finished food is waiting on the lower shelf, ready to receive the steaks or burgers directly from the grill grate. This isn't just about convenience, it is about focus. The cook can stay engaged with the fire, managing temperatures and doneness without breaking concentration to hunt for a tool. It makes the cook more efficient and less stressed, which usually results in better food. Aesthetically, a well-built wooden version has a rustic, honest appeal next to the stainless steel of a grill. It brings organic warmth to the setup. It looks purposeful and professional, like the outdoor kitchen it helps to create. It is a piece that solves a very clear set of problems with a straightforward functional design. So, a wooden grill prep side table with wheels is an investment in better outdoor cooking. It is a piece of furniture designed around a specific workflow, using the durability and warmth of wood to create a portable, organized hub that puts everything the cook needs right where they need it. What is the biggest advantage of a table like this for your grilling routine? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.